watch daily videos and ace your GRE preparation. Don't forget to click on the bell icon and subscribe to the channel.
Hi guys, this is Aishwarya once again and welcome to the channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you are remembering, learning all the vocabulary words and making note of it and revising all of these. Okay, so in today's session we'll be talking about 3 main words, and along with this there'll be a lot of synonyms and antonyms that you need to keep on bucket and add to your vocabulary list. So let's begin improving our vocabulary. Alright, so the 3 words for today that we are going to cover are the basic words, but the synonyms and antonyms that I tell you, those words you might or you might not know, and even if you know, you might not use it in your day-to-day language. So agenda for today is that you start using all of those words in your day-to-day language. So the 3 words are introvert, extrovert and ambivert. Okay, so introvert, as you guys must be knowing, that is a person who is very shy, who doesn't like to go out, not very sociable, finds containment in oneself, like you want to be alone. Okay, so you don't have like a lot of friends, you don't like to mingle outside, you find containment in yourself. Okay, so that's a person who is called as an introvert. Okay, now moving on to the synonyms of the words introvert. So some of the synonyms of the introvert, as you guys can see, there is shy, reticent, withdrawn. Okay, so you are a shy person. Reticent means a person who is reserved, who doesn't like to speak much. So the new word that you have learned today is being reticent. Okay, the person who doesn't speak much, who is very reserved, is called reticent. You spell it as reticent. Okay, so one of the synonyms is reticent, shy and withdrawn. Next, talking about the antonyms or the opposite of the word introvert is extrovert. Okay, the person who is very sociable, who likes to go out, talk to a lot of people, who is a kind of a party animal kind of a person. Now, next, moving ahead, antonyms of the word introvert would be extrovert or social, like the person who likes to go out and talk to a lot of people and who is a party animal. Doesn't you always have a friend who has like a lot of other friends. Like if you are an introvert, you just have one friend, and in every group there is one person who has like a lot of friends, and you have like a lot of different groups when you are in a surrounding. So that kind of a person is an extrovert. Okay, so the opposite of introvert and antonym of introvert is the word called as extrovert, the person who is a party animal, who likes to socialize, go out. Okay, now looking at synonyms of the word extrovert, we have here the person who is very outgoing, gregarious. Okay, the new word that you have to list down in your vocabulary is being gregarious. A gregarious person is a very sociable person who likes to go out. Just check for the spelling. There should not be any spelling mistakes while you are writing it. So that's why I've written it above here, so you have a note of it. Okay, so gregarious person, an outgoing person, a very cordial and affable person, a very friendly person. Okay, so synonyms of the word extrovert would be gregarious, social, affable, cordial. These are the synonyms. Moving on to the antonyms of the word, or the opposite of the word extrovert, would be, you all know, introvert. We just discussed. So the synonyms of introvert would be the opposites of extrovert. Okay, so that is how you have to remember. Alright, now moving ahead, the last word for today is ambivert. Okay, now ambivert is a person who has a balance of extrovert and introvert. Now if I say that I am an ambivert person, so I like to spend time with myself, but if there is a party going on and if I have to go out, then I wouldn't mind going out and being social, having a lot of friends. So I maintain a balance amongst myself. I spend time with myself, and if the situation demands, I try to be extrovert, and if the situation demands me being an introvert, so I try to be introvert. Okay, so I strike a perfect balance of being an extrovert and an introvert, so I am an ambivert. Okay, so these were the 3 words for today. As you guys always know, your homework for today, or what you guys have to do, is you have to form a sentence using the word introvert, extrovert and ambivert and write down in the comment section below. I hope all of you guys who are actually writing down all the comments, you are gaining some knowledge and you are being confident about using these words in your day-to-day vocabulary. So that's the agenda for today. Write a sentence using the word introvert, extrovert and ambivert in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do like, share and subscribe. There is a bell icon there. If you click on it, then you will get notifications every time we release a video. All the very best and stay tuned. Bye-bye.